Hi everyone, igama lami nguStrictly, go straight to the point. Welcome to Sadma Awards 2025. Tonight we are live siseThekwini kwelikaBanana at the Playhouse. And njengamanje ngiphathele ubhuti Mr Black. Muthe ibhadi sawona.
Yebo sanibona.
Kunjani?
Awu ngiyaphila hayi.
Siyaphila, sikhuluma nobani?
So mina nguVumani V, a music publisher wala eThekwini. Yes.
So namhlanje uzokwenzani?
So I was here to support Amaciko ala eThekwini. It was such a great event. Everything went well, and yeah, no MC basiphathe kahle, and the winners. I was also happy to see some of the artists come and collect some awards. Yeah.
Uba lo jabulelile ukumbona nje lapha stage namhlanje.
I was so happy to see Uze.
Yeah.
Is it fantastic for picking up the food that I say I know you're gonna, but it didn't belong to me as well. It's one of the first that I was on the inside.
Yeah, I was so happy to see Uze. No man, speeches it was great.
Yeah. Do you think he deserved that award?
It does. He's been working very hard. So yeah, he's represented Itheku well as the South African.